All right, look at this cute little vehicle. So tiny, it's cute. 1912 or 13. BB Yugito? Video? Can't really pronounce that. There you go. That's a little bit about it if you want to read it. Wow, look at the design on there. Look at that. It's so pretty. Interesting for sure. Ah. Okay, and an 1898 Liam Tricar. Okay. Cute.
The French guy that really invented the first one with the Velcro. So for you, your wife, and your mistress.
Alright, hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Stay tuned for more.